Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to Newswatch 12 this morning. Right now you're taking a live look at Grants Pass. This view is coming courtesy of the Tap Rock Northwest Grill. Not seeing any fog right now, but there is some fog building up in the Umpqua Basin. So we'll see if some of that ends up seeping down into the Rogue Valley. But for now, good visibility. Good temperatures too, 50 degrees in Grants Pass. In the west side valleys, we're in the 40s and 50s. 60 right now in Brookings, where the Chetco effect has finally backed off. And we are much cooler, obviously, to the east of the Cascades with 30s and 40s. So I think all of us probably need some sort of jacket this morning as you're headed out the front door, but you won't need an ice scraper just because it's a little bit too warm for that. So here is your outdoor dining forecast for today for the Rogue Valley. I'm going with 5 stars. I had to do it for lunchtime because it's going to be that sunny and 75 weather, but it's going to be a little bit too toasty for that for dinner time, so I had to knock a star off. As we're going to be about 10 to 15 degrees above average for this time of the year, which means we're going to be near 80 to the east of the Cascades, near 90 for the Rogue Valley, a little bit cooler than that for the Shasta Valley, and sunny and 75 along the coast in Curry County, where the Chetco effect is going to start to break down today. So that means we'll be a little bit cooler compared to the past few days. And then for tonight, skies will continue to be clear for inland spots, but we will have some marine layer clouds working up along the coast, so that could provide obviously some cloud coverage, but maybe in addition to that, some patchy fog. Overnight lows will continue their upward trend as we'll be a little bit warmer compared to this morning, near 40 to the east of the Cascades, 50s for west side valleys, middle 50s along the coast in Curry County. Will be just about as hot for Saturday, a little bit cooler for Sunday, and then it's just going to be a different planet for Monday as we're going to be much wetter and much cooler. Look at the temperature disparity between Sunday and Monday. That's about a 20-degree drop-off, so there's really no question about when the cold front's going to move through, and we're going to continue to deal with much cooler weather for next week as opposed to what we dealt with for this week. So we could have maybe just a little bit of drizzle along the coast for Saturday with the uptick in marine layer clouds. Some showers along the coast for Sunday, and then it's looking like much more widespread wet weather in a Monday and Tuesday, and then a little bit drier in a Wednesday and Thursday. So definitely some much needed rain. I think this could put the nail in the coffin for fire season, so we'll see if that actually pans out. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Sunny and 75 for today, a little bit cooler for Saturday. Again, we could have some drizzle along the coast, better chance for showers on Sunday, and then rain looking likely for Monday and Tuesday. For Siskiyou County, near sunny and 85 through Sunday, and then obviously much cooler and much wetter starting on Monday. For the Basin, near 80 through Sunday, dropping off into the 50s and 60s for next week. We could drop down to freezing for Wednesday morning and into Thursday morning as well. For the Cascades, the forecast is going to get very interesting as we head into Wednesday morning, as snow levels could get low enough for us to see maybe even some accumulating snow up towards elevations as high as 6,000 to 7,000 feet. So that would include Crater Lake. And then for the Rogue Valley, we'll be definitely not feeling fall-like through Sunday, but definitely feeling fall-like starting on Monday.